Hi, this is Stefan from the mobile team with an update on what we have been up to since our last journal tell late last Never. Like every good journey, this update is going to start on our trusty project page. We're going to create a new project, select Unity, hit create. So the wizard is going to present us a Git URL, which we're going to copy, and we're going to take it to the Unity editor, and we're going to install the Sentry package through their built-in package manager. What that package also comes with, because no one likes to write buggy code, is a whole bunch of samples, and we're gonna import those too. Those samples include all kinds of errors, from throwing null, to catching it, to exceptions, to native support, with the good old segfault, or if you're adventurous, you can get to explore and experience Kotlin errors on Android, Objective-C on iOS, or even JavaScript if you're targeting WebGL. So with the Sentry package installed, we can now go to Tools, Sentry, and Sentry Clipper pops up. Of course, we're gonna start the wizard. It's gonna take us to the browser and take a second to do its wizardry things. We're gonna close it down, and we're gonna be presented with our organization and our project. We're okay with the default settings, and we're ready to go. So if we now hit play, and we throw null reference exception, we can take a look at the issues page, and there it is. It's got tags, it's got line numbers, it got breadcrumbs, context, it has everything. So you know how they say that you only need one line of code to set up Sentry on any project? Well, we Unity developers, we like to click and we like to drag and drop stuff around all day. So the appropriate amount of lines of code for us would be 0. 0 lines of code to set up Sentry, and that is what we do. But so what do you actually get for 0 lines of code, I hear you ask? Well, that's a great question. You get native support for all those platforms. You get automated debug symbol upload because Sentry CLI is not drag and drop, and that's a big no-no. You get scope sync between the SDKs, and that's just the default settings. Well, and if you start taking a closer look at the editor configuration window, you start having access to things like attaching screenshots to your exceptions. You have access to programmatic configuration, and you have access to experimental IL2CPP line numbers. What's next in our Unity efforts? Well, we're working on getting rid of that experimental tag, and we're working on IL weaving. Think bytecode manipulation, but for .NET assemblies and other ways to collect transactions automatically. So long, and thanks for all the fish!